Hello everyone, this is Jim, aka Jim the Gunner 95 on Xbox Live, and my new friend,
Ross.
And John's upstairs. We're going to be doing another reaction video, and it's going to be called,
One Man, One Screwdriver.
Well, that's the reaction video, but this is going to be called Ross and Jim
Shit their pants.
We don't know yet. But, let's see. Where did you get this from, Ross?
I just remember seeing it, one of my friends telling me about it.
Alright, so... I'm playing it. Like...
Play it!
You hit the...
Alright. Copy and paste it to your mom's email. Alright, no. Alright, play it!
You have a loud voice.
You are a demon.
Oh my god.
I think the only thing you'll taste today is your own blood.
Oh, wait, I don't get it. What's...
That's a screwdriver.
That's not the handle, though. Or is it? Ah! Oh! Ah! 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 What the fuck are you crazy fucks doing this for? Money? You people are inhumane!
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Fuck.
Okay, how did you like that?
Fuck! How do I like it? Oh my god.
He's gonna puke. He's gonna puke. Oh my god.
I just got done eating pizza after that shit. And what do I see? Blood and guts! Fuck! Oh my god. I saw a little bit of it. I don't know what the fuck you're watching. I don't know what it was. Some guy. You alright? It was like some guy. He ripped the front of his dick out with the screwdriver's handle. I have no idea how he did it. He had, I don't know, it was... You?
I'm laughing like
I have no idea, it looked really weird.
Oh my god.
He had it like inside or something. But the part where you... I don't know how to explain it. Fuck! Inhumane people! You people are sick! If you do that for money? Oh my god! Jesus Christ!
Oh my god.
Now I understand why hookers are fucking other men. They don't resort to that shit. They already have shit going up their ass! Fuck! Oh my god! Man.
He has so many issues.
I have issues. I have issues. What about the people in that video?
They're healthy.
They're healthy. No, they're not.
All right. We're gonna watch the BME Olympics next.